Alright guys, next thing I'm going to show you is how to quickly edit out a part of your video with Adobe Premiere 2020. So when you get your video imported, looking at it here on your timeline, you can actually see, which I think is really cool, you can see talking and when you're not talking, which allows me to edit things really quickly when I'm doing videos where I have pauses in between. And all you need to do is actually click on the video here. You can hit play if you want to listen to it. Alright, so but what I want to cut out is right here, this dead space. So I want to move my little blue cursor here, or blue line, and then this first move right here is mark in. You can hit I if you don't want to click on the button up here. Marks that in, and then you want to drag this blue thing to where you want to cut it the other way. You want to do O or click the button. Now see how this section is highlighted? Then all you need to do is come over here, and there's this thing called extract. That button on the key, click it, and there we just deleted that portion of the video out. So it's that simple, which I think is really cool. And if you make a mistake, just hit Control C, boom, right back. That easy. Cut out the wrong part. Alright guys, that is how you can quickly edit out a portion of a video. Thanks for watching.